In this quick and easy tutorial, I will show you how to turn on the Auto HDR feature on your Samsung phone's camera. HDR stands for High Dynamic Range, and it helps capture photos with better contrast and detail. With Auto HDR enabled, your Samsung phone's camera will automatically determine when to use this feature based on the lighting conditions. To get started, open up the camera app on your Samsung phone and then tap on the gear icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on the camera settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Auto HDR. Auto HDR. Make your pictures pop by capturing more detail in the bright and dark areas of your shots. To turn on the Auto HDR feature on your Samsung phone, simply toggle on this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.